Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our videos. So what we've been working on is a Porsche GTS, an absolutely stunning car. Absolutely love this spec of this vehicle. It's been done really nicely. So what we've installed is a product called Target Blue Eye. It's an emergency service warning device. We've got loads of articles that we've done on this product. We've also got the targetblueye.co.uk website, which will drop below, as well as our link on our main website. We've done loads of Porsches with this particular product, so if you go onto our website gallery, you'll be able to see loads of those as well. If you're interested in this particular product, feel free to get in touch with us. Basically, our contact numbers will all be below as well. So this particular vehicle has all been carried out in one day. Customers taking advantage of our loan cars, so we've got free courtesy vehicles available when you're buying this product. We install loads of these and we use our exclusive antenna. If you're looking into this product, the main key attribute that you'll be needing to upgrade is the antenna. We use what's called a T30 antenna. It's exclusive to us. We're based in Cambridge. We do all our installs here as well. So if you're interested in something like this, get in contact. We'll arrange with the local hotels. We've got a new website going to be launched just for that as well. So keep an eye out for that. But we've got quite a few other videos of installs we've carried out for different options in terms of where you want your display installed. That's the only thing that's visible. So what we're going to do, we're going to talk you around, show you the car, as well as go through about whereabouts we've located everything. So in the front of the vehicle, what we've got is the T30 antenna. Absolutely stunning car. The T30 antenna is located behind the bumper, just here. It's a really nice looking antenna. Obviously you can't see it, but it is an incredibly effective, and it's a high gain antenna. So that's all hidden away behind the front bumper. That's normally where everything goes in terms of our installs on Target Blue Eye. So inside the actual vehicle itself, what we've got is the Target Blue Eye device. So a really nice looking unit. So we go through exactly where the customer would like this, and the customer's chosen this. So it's nice and easy to touch, as well as change from the highway modes as well. So what we're going to do, we're just going to turn the ignition on, just so you can see the lights on it. So it's got 5 LEDs going across. When you start up the car, it goes through its startup sequence. And what you can do is you've got 2 buttons here. Once it's loaded up, you can then put it into highway mode, which is basically gives you a bit of an increased distance as well as sensitivity. When you press and hold both buttons, you can change the volume, and that drops it down. And then to pull it all the way back up is press and hold both. Press and hold once on the right button gives you full brightness, and then all the way back down. So if you're driving at night, you might want it a bit lighter, but you've got full control. It's really easy to use, and it's a really nice location on this particular car. And if you want to, you can mute it as well as if you press and hold the left key, turns off the whole unit completely. So a really nice, easy to use and effective system. We'll drop the links below so you can see exactly what this product's about. But feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Thank you very much for watching our short video.